Hi everyone, how's it going? Welcome to Quick Learn, and for today's video, I'm gonna show you how to create an ad account for your Facebook business page. Now without further ado, let's get started. First, I'm gonna need you to go to your computer browser and go to your Facebook account. Now once you're in Facebook, just go directly to Pages. So as you can see right here, just go to Pages right here and go to your business page. Now once you're in your business page, just click on Switch Now to switch control and to start managing your page. So just click on Switch Now, or if you can't see this option right here, you can always go to your profile icon right here and click on this switch icon to switch into your business. So for now, I'm just going to use this. So I'm going to switch into my business page right here. And now once you're in your business page, go directly to Meta Business Suite right here. So this is an amazing website or tool, you guys, to actually manage your business. Now once you're in your business page, just as you can see, this is the website right here. And right here until the slash, after the slash, just drag this real quick and delete, and quickly type on settings right there. So as you can see, it will automatically redirect you to your business settings. Now once you're in your business settings, under accounts, just click on add account right here. And now you can add an ad account. So all the Meta Ads account you've been as a business manager will be listed here. So for that, I'm just going to add an account, or you can create a new ad account. So I'm just going to create a new ad account right here. So the ad account name, you can say anything that you want. And the time zone should be where you are currently at. And the currency, you can always change it to whatever currency you feel like. For in my case, I'm gonna change it to Philippine peso right here, and I'm gonna click on next. And who will this ad account be used for? So make sure to click on my business, or if you want to manage another business or a client, you can always click on this. So for now, I'm just gonna click on my business and click on create. So as you can see, you can always add people and set permissions. So the ad account, you can manage campaigns, you can view performances, you can manage creative hubs, or you can make a full control of the business. So they can control ad account settings, finances, and permissions. They can always create and edit ads and access reports and view ads. So I'm just gonna click on the full control also, and I'm gonna click on this one person, and I'm gonna click on assign right there. So next is you should add a payment information. So under payment information, you can always change your country or region you're currently at, your currency, and of course make sure the time zone is accurate on where you are currently from, and click on next right here. And of course, you can add a debit card or a PayPal right here. And you can always click on an I have an ad credit to claim. So just look into that. So for now, I'm just going to add a debit or credit card. I'm going to click on next right here. And once you've done that, they will ask for a credit card detail, your name on your card number, of course, the expiration date on your card, and of course, the CVV. So for now, I don't have any information for that, and I don't want to put my private card into this. So just look into that, if you will, and just click on save right after that. And now you are good to go. You can now create an ad. So to create an ad right here, just go back to the Business Meta Suite website right here. And of course, go into ads. So as you can see, I have an active ad right here that I just created last May 3. And now this is how it works. You can always click on create an ad right here if you want to start creating an ad. So just click create ad, and of course they will choose what ad that you want. You can always create automated ads, and you can choose a goal, or you can just boost existing content from your page. So for now, I'm just gonna click on choose a new goal right here. I mean click on automated ads right here. So this means that you have to have a lot of, you have to have funds in your credit card so that your ads will be automatically renewed after a certain period of time. So for now, I can't really create a single ad, the option where you can only choose a certain number of days and the ad will stop, because I currently have a active ad. So for now, I'm just gonna create a automated ad right here. So just click on get started right here. And now, do you want people to come to your business location? So it's up to you. So for me, I like to click on yes. I'm gonna click on next. And do you have a website? So for now, I don't have a website, but if you do have a website, just click on yes right here. And now, do you want people to contact you? Just click on yes if you want to. And now, how do you want people to contact you? Just click on they call me, they share their contact information, and I reach out, or they message me on Facebook and they message me on WhatsApp. So it's up to you. So for now, where is your audience located? So make sure that this is accurate, because if you post this inaccurately, there will be a lot of issues in the future. And of course, make sure to click on the location very accurately. So just click on next if you've done that. And of course, what are some topics your audience may like? So my business is all about a dental clinic. So I'm just going to click on dentistry right here. And you have a limit of 10. For example, dental clinic. I'm just going to say certified dental assistant right here. I'm just going to click on next, and after that, you can add a photo or a logo to your ads. I'm just going to leave it as it is. But if you want to add more photos, you can do that. But keep in mind, you can only add up to 6 photos right here. And next, I'm just going to click on next right here. So for now, it's finding your audience. So choose your goal. So of course, Facebook recommends get more messages, but you can also change that. Like, you can promote your contact info locally, and you can promote your address locally. So for now, I'm just going to click on get more messages on Messenger right here. And the ad version, of course, you can add more photos to it, or you can add more videos if you want to get more ad versions. So for now, right here under settings is the daily budget. So once I click on edit right here, it will automatically give me a estimated 3.9 thousand and 11.4 thousand account center per day for only 170 pesos. So that's about $3 and something cents. But once I drag into this on the left, and my budget recedes. So the lower your budget, the lower estimated account reach per day. So make sure you have enough budget for it. And if you want to have a higher budget right here, the more accounts reach per day. So for now, I'm on a budget. I'm just going to click on this, a 100 pesos per budget. So that's around about $2. And my estimated reach is around 2.3 thousand to 6.7 thousand accounts per day. So just save budget right here. And of course, the duration is continuous because it is an automated ad, of course. And of course, you can also select a special category right here. Just click on that. So just click on ad category if your ad category is about a credit, employment, housing, or social issues, elections, or politics. So if your ad is about all that, you can just click on this right here. And you may choose a country where your ads may run. So of course, you can run your ads internationally right here. And next is the advantage audience. So once I click on this, you can choose the audience that you want your ad to be delivered. So for now, my audience is currently in the Philippines, and it's in Cebu City, and it has a plus 25 mile radius, and age is around 18 to 65 above, and the advanced detailed targeting is on. So make sure to turn this on to have an accurate detailed targeting of your ads. But let's see if you want to, if you want to edit this one, I'm just going to show you how. Just click on this pen icon right here. There you have it. You can edit your audience, you can edit the gender. So I'm just going to click on all. You can edit the age right here by dragging this, and you can add a location or where you want your ad to be delivered. So for now, I'm just going to leave it as it is right here. And now, next is the placement. So where you want to place your ad. So I'm just going to click on right here, and you have the option where you can place your ad. You can place it on Facebook, you can place it on Instagram, and you can place it on Messenger. So once you've decided, you can just click on Save Placements right here. And next is to add funds to your Facebook business account. So if you want to add funds, you can just click on Add Funds right here. And now you can select which way you can add funds. You can add through debit card, you can add through PayMaya wallet and GCash. So both PayMaya wallet and GCash may not be available in your country because this is only available in the Philippines, and both of these are a mobile banking application. So for now, just click on debit or credit card and click on next, and they will ask you for your credit card information. So once you've done everything that is asked, just click on Promote Now right here, and Facebook will review your ad requests, and hopefully after 1 to 2 days, or usually it doesn't take up to 1 to 2 days. So in my case, once I create an ad, usually it takes me about around 10 to 20 minutes, and my ad is now up and going. So for now, I'm just not going to click on Promote Now because I already have an ad that is running right here. So just to give you a quick example, if your ad is now up and going or is accepted by Facebook, you can just click on View Results right here. And as you can see right here, this is how my ad works. So the message conversion restarted 17. So I have a reach of 2,327 accounts. So the cost per messaging conversations is around 8.17, and I have a daily budget of 800 for a duration of 7 days. So right here, this is the audience. So this is the reach of my audience right here. So just read on this real quick. And there you have it. So this is my total amount spent right here. And this is a quick view on how and when your account or your ad is up and going. So this is the results right here. And I guess that's it for this video. So as you can see, it is very simple, and I hope you follow all of this on my tutorial, and I sincerely hope you like this video. And if you do, please don't forget to give this video a like, subscribe to this channel, and of course click on that notification bell for more contents like this. Bye!